Hey guys, it's Lauren. This is the final part of my Halloween series, and I'm gonna make myself look like I am made of weed. That's accurate. Okay, so now that I have changed, because I need neck access. Halloween is in 2 days. And I actually don't even know, like I don't have a full costume. I've just been doing makeup, so I don't know what I'm gonna be still. Probably a witch, because I have the wardrobe for it. Yeah, so today we're gonna be making it look like my face is cracking off and that underneath I am made of weed. Actually gonna take my black pencil, pretty sure. And I've decided that I'm gonna do like the bottom half of my face. I think I'm gonna go lower on my neck actually. Weed. I wish I had a black cream face paint, but I don't. So, you know. So now I'm going to put concealer on my face. Going away to a wedding. So all my shit's still in the bag and I'm unpacking as I go. Powder puff. Okay, so now I think I'm gonna do green eyebrows, but I want like a nice dark matte green. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab my little thin brush. I'm gonna take my green face paint and use it as a brow gel, and then I'm gonna go over it with like a matte green eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go in with this dark matte green, because apparently I don't have a lot of those. Alright, my green brows are done. I'm gonna use my Hood Huda Beauty black again, a little Morphe, and 160. For this side of my face. And that's the Kat Von D palette, the contour kit that I've been using. Now, for my veins. I'm going to take the green little crayon that I have. Okay, so the marker only I can see, I feel. You guys can see like some of the lines, but it's not showing up very well on the camera. Okay. Oh, and it just broke off. Sweet. So now I'm going to take my Morphe 431 and I'm going to start with the dark green that I use for my eyebrows. I'm gonna go back to my other little thin brush. I have this little MAC. It's called Late Night. It's a liquid eyeliner. And for this, I'm going to use my little tiny mirror because I really want to get the details. So now that we've got my weed leaf veins, I don't know how good I am at drawing weed leaves. I feel like not very good. Oh. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the eye makeup. Okay. So I'm gonna start with the color that I used for my eyebrow. I'm gonna put that in the corner. So I'm going to use Inside Job, and that one's in the Dark Magic palette, just to deepen up the corner. Okay, now I'm going to brush away. Okay, now I'm going to take my little crescent moon brush and my concealer. Palette Electric that I used for the middle. I'm just gonna go back in and blend out. Okay. So now that that's done, I take my little round brush. My waterline. So I'm gonna use this new mascara that my friend gave me. It's MAC Up for Everything. Anything? Everything. So now I'm gonna use Rouge and Rogue Noctura. And this is the Smashbox Mauve Wife gloss. Alright, and the final product. Alright guys, this is it for the final part of my Halloween series. I want to thank everybody who watched any of them, or all of them, or whatever. I wish I could have done more, but I did what I could in the time that I had available. Next year we'll try to do better. We'll try to do double. We'll try to do 16 instead of 8. I think this is 8. I think it's fitting for my last one. It's like weed cracking out of my face. My Halloween series is over. Also, I really like this eye, and I'm probably gonna use it again because, like, shit, like, that's cute. Now that my Halloween series is over, I'll see you guys in my next regular old video. Alright, bye guys.